Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Berliansa Safalis. Change the bad habits. Before I begin, let me ask you one question. Have you ever stayed up late and regret in the next day? I believe most of us have. I know I have. Today, I want to talk about a bad habit the many of us, including myself, struggle with staying up late. At first, staying up late may seem normal. We scroll to our phone, watch our favorite series, or even convince ourselves that we're being productive at 2, but let's be honest, most of the time we're just wasting time, and the next morning we wake up tired, late, and full of regret. I used to stay up late almost every night. I was just a night owl. But slowly I realized how this habit would affect my mood, my energy, and even my performance, but in class and at work. I became more stressed, less focused, and always exhausted. Changing the habit was easy. It took small steps, setting an alarm to sleep, turning off screen before bed, and reminding myself why rest is important. I am still no perfect, but I am getting better, and I feel better, healed, more focused, and more in control of my time. Why is it so important to change a bad habit like staying up late? Because small habits shape our future. Good habits help us grow, bad habits hold us back. So let's try together to sleep earlier, take care of our minds and bodies, and become the best version of ourselves one next at item. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Script presentasi PowerPoint as to plus infinity. Hello everyone, my name is Berliansa Safalis, and today I will be explaining the topic as to plus infinitive. What is as to talk about past habits. Introduction. What is as to? As to is a phrase that we use when talking about habits or situations in the past that are no longer true. For example, if you did something regularly before but you don't do it anymore, you can say I used to. Structure. How to asked to in a sentence, the structure is really simple. Subject plus asked to plus best friend. For example, I was to read books every night. She asked to study hard when was younger. Affirmative sentence. Let's look at some affirmative sentence. When you want to say something you asked to do in the past, you ask the structure we just learned. Here are some examples. He was to eat kale for breakfast. They asked to walk to school. My family asked to go camping every summer. Next, negative sentence. How do we make negative sentence with asked to? In negative sentence, we ask did not ask to plus base verb. Here are some examples. I didn't ask to love cafe. She did not ask to study at night. Next, yes or no question. How to ask yes or no question when you want to ask a question as did plus subject plus asked to plus best friend. For example, did you ask to ride a bike? Did they ask to watch TV together? And next, why question. Let's move on the why question. That question start with words like where, what, when, why. Here are some examples. Where did you ask to live? What did he ask to do on weekends? Next, common mistakes. Be careful with these common mistakes. 1. I was to play the piano. Correct. I wish to play the piano. 1. Did you ask to swim? Correct. Did you ask to swim? Next, my story. Now let me share some of my past habits. I asked to sleep late every night, but now I try to go to bed early. I asked to eat junk food all the time, but now I focus on eating healthy. I asked to play mobile games for house, but I don't anymore because I prefer doing other things. Next, conclusion. Top to sum up, asked to is a great way to talk about past habits. Remember, it's simple to ask subject plus asked to plus base verb. Let's practice it by think of some things we asked to do and share with our friends. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.